Consumer Reports has released their list of the most accurate blood pressure cuffs on the market today. Let's take a look at them. They look at 28 different brands of blood pressure cuffs, and the ones that scored the highest were from Omron. The Omron Platinum BP 5450 was at the top of the list, scoring 86 out of 100 points. This was followed closely by the Omron Silver BP 5250, which scored 85 out of 100 points. Now I bring this up because the Omron Platinum and the Silver version are almost identical to each other. The only real difference in my book is the price, where the Silver costs significantly less than the Platinum version. So if you're on the fence, grab two boxes and look at them side by side and see if there is a significant difference for you. And another advantage of the Omron brand, as well as several others that Consumer Reports looked at, is that they also had an irregular heartbeat monitor as well. So if you do have an irregular heartbeat, this is definitely an option you want to have. Now, all that said, everything's not rosy with Omron. There was one brand that scored almost at the very bottom of the list, and that is the Omron Healthcare Heart Guide BP 8000-M, which scored only 19 out of 100 points. Now, this Omron brand is actually an activity tracker as well as a blood pressure cuff. It costs more than some Apple Watches, and it takes blood pressure at the wrist, which is generally less accurate than when you take your blood pressure at your upper arm. So my opinion on this brand and any wrist blood pressure cuff is, I don't think they're ready for prime time, and I would avoid them. And the only brand that actually scored lower than this, it's a brand from Target, and it's called the Up and Up Automatic Wrist BPM 48-514. It scored 17 out of 100 points. And just as an aside, why did they call it up and up when lower blood pressure is what you're aiming for? So they really should have called it down and down. And also, if you are shopping for a blood pressure cuff, Consumer Reports did mention that those from Target, Walgreens, and CVS didn't appear to be as accurate as other brands they were measuring.